check this out, guys. This is the PS5 digital. This is officially from Malaysia, and meaning that the warranty is also from Malaysia. And this is how the back looks like from the side. So what you're gonna get is just a PS5 Slim digital and a DualSense controller. And on this side, this is the contents. Try not to damage it, you just stick it back here. So right out of the box, you can see there is a 3-pin plug. And what is this? This is the horizontal holder. We're going to look at that later on. They purposely put it on top so that you won't miss it. And you get a HDMI cable, USB-C to USB-C. That's the cable to charge your DualSense controller. And the DualSense controller is right on top of the box. Here it looks like. The white one. Everything looks fine. This is the quick start guide in different languages. This is the safety guide. Do not throw the packaging or the box away, okay? Because you need it for your warranty. Yep, so keep the box. There's two USB-C in front, here and here. And behind there is a HDMI port. There's a netbook port. And two USB and power. And this is in matte, this is in glossy, and this is the digital version, so there's no disk drive over here. On the left top there is a PlayStation logo. So I'm going to put this, I'm going to put this lying down, not standing. Stand. This is 2 holes here and another 2 holes here. So once it's in, now you can put it on the flat surface. Yep. Alright, the next thing gotta do is to connect this to the TV or your soundbar. Yeah, I have a soundbar here. My TV HDMI port is already full because 2 is already used by the TV boxes and another one by the soundbar. So I can only put it into my soundbar to come here. So it's already connected to the HDMI here, and the power outlet is also ready. So this is ready to go. Yep. So all I need to just power this up, put it properly and power it up, then and do the rest of the setup. First, I press the on button here. This should on everything. It ons my soundbar because it's connected to it, and it automatically on my TV as well. So I'm just going to wait for it to launch. Yep. So once I click on the on button, it's now on for me. All I need is just to set up the controller. So I'm going to just follow this, and all I need is just connect to the USB-C to the controller and press on this. Yes, let's try that. Alright, and it's ready to select the language to set up. Okay. Continue the screen reader turn on. Can. And next we'll be setting up the internet connection. Okay, right after putting all the password, just press done and press OK, and it's connecting to the access points or the internet. Yep. Alright, it's done. So you just need to check all the borders are filled up. If it's not, then you can actually adjust the size. Yep. See, when I try to make it smaller, I can, but let's fill it up. Okay. Next is to adjust the HDR, which is super bright on my TV here. I can make it a little bit darker if I want to. Or I can make it brighter as well. So you can just adjust until the sun is not visible anymore. Yep. So I'm going to just click brighter until I can't see it anymore. Yep, that's the one. And it's the second time I need to adjust the HDR. So let's adjust it until it's barely visible. Wow, one more. How many times I need to do this? Okay. Okay, next will be power options for rest mode. So the first one is optimize experience. The next one is low power use and custom. I'll just go with the optimize experience. Yeah. So there's a software license agreement where I just need to agree and continue. Yep. From next will be updating the system software. Of course, I would like to do that. Okay, update. So the update is about 1.1 gig, and I'm using a 1 gigabyte of internet speed here, so it should be quite fast. So it's all downloaded and it's going to be installing now. I think I should have turned off the person talking behind here, the narration thingy. It's really noisy. Right, it just restarted and it's going to be officially installing it now. Okay, to not turn it off during installation. So while waiting, it's asking me to access the website to set up the web, separate on the web, yeah, by scanning this code here. Yep. So it's restarting again, and PS5, still waiting for the signal. Press PS button on controller. Here you go. Now I need to sign in. So I have updated, I've actually scanned in the QR code and created an account, and now it shows that I have account attached to this console, and I need to update the rest of the stuff here. After putting all the informations earlier, I would need to select an avatar. Well, it can be anything I want, right? I think I'll just go for Spider-Man, yeah, the classic one over there. Well, this is the important part, guys, the online ID. So they come up with some suggestions. I think I'll just choose my own one. Yep. So the next one is to adjust privacy settings. This I am not too sure, but I think it will tells you how you would like to be seen. Yeah, maximize my chance to connect with seen and socialize. That's the first one. And then I think the rest will be a little bit more private when it comes to team player, friend focused, and solo and focus. I think I'll just put it as solo and focus now. Yeah, maybe later on I will just adjust it later in the settings. The next part is the data collection, whether you let them to take any data from your PS console here. I think it's okay for me, I don't mind. Go ahead and take. And the next one will be family on PlayStation. You can do some restrictions on the games or movies and keep track of the playtime and use the share wallet, set the spending limits. Yep, looks cool. That's for your kids if you have them at home. The next one would be, what are the media apps that you would like to have? You can select only either 5 of them, yeah? I think I'll be just watching Netflix and Spotify. And the next one will be activating the pass key. The next part will be securing the account, the login password. Now this is another one, transferring data from another console. So if you have another PS4 or PS5, you can transfer all your games into this. Or you can do it later on, yep. But this is brand new for me, so I got nothing to do. So guys, I'm done setting up my PS5 and thank you for watching. The next, I will be showing you the differences between these two. This is something I get extra later on. Alright, thank you, bye.